This is going to be an awesome place to spend the night. Look at the view. Let's settle down. Got a bunch of items in my backpack as always. Good old sleeping bag, some rope, ordinary blanket, the Vango Nevis 100. Let's take this bad boy out and pitch it in like 5 minutes. Oh jeez, it has 2 layers. This is the outer layer. For 3000 millimeters of water, it is waterproof. These are the poles, the power light alloy poles, and all those other things that is needed to pitch the tent. And this is the inside. It's fire retardant. Let's make it faster so you won't get bored, okay? It's done. It wasn't more like 10 minutes, but I believe I'll be speeding up this a little bit after I gain some more experience. The next thing is well hidden in my backpack. And I'm gonna flex on you with that, guys. Look at this. This thing is just awesome. I'm a bit dizzy, but I'm gonna be okay, guys, don't worry. It fits perfectly. And let's unwrap my sleeping bag. Now that's what I call camping with comfort. Oh man, that's something that I would appreciate so much during the night. This is amazing. The site is beautiful. We got some lights from car headlights. I don't have any rain. I can see some lightning in the distance, but hopefully they will not reach me today. But if they do, I hope my new tent will protect me against the rain. I love it, man. I love it. It feels so good to remove my hiking shoes after 4 hours of a hike. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's check out what's inside my backpack for tonight's dinner. I have my camping stove, and I got my good old mug, my plate, instant soup, some sort of a pasta, Chinese style, my match, some water to boil, and now we're getting very, very dark, very, very soon. Whoa, gosh, that's maybe too much. Oh Jesus, what the hell is happening here? Oh no, and it's now dead. Frick! Let's try again. Whoa, it's pretty inconsistent. See, I didn't touch it. See? Everything's lit up on the other side. Let me show you quickly. Every road and street lamps are lit up. And as you can see, there are some thunders. Wow, in the distance, did you see that? Right there? It was awesome. I love seeing lightnings. The water for my pea soup is almost ready. And I don't mean urine, I mean the vegetable pea. The green little balls, you know? It is going to dissolve quite nice. Okay, then put everything back to its place. I'm gonna give it a little time until the other one is getting ready. Let's put the stove back. What was that? And now we wait. So you guys might be wondering what I was doing in the last year. We went for a holiday with my girlfriend to a place called Attersee. Probably you have seen it on my shorts. I went to Novo Festival and it was the greatest experience of my whole life yet. I did some other videos like the riparian video, 2 of the terrarium videos that I did, and I was almost biased to go that direction. But to be honest, these experiences out in the wilderness by myself is the one that I really like. By the way, check out how the lightnings are. I'm just switching off my lights for a second so we can enjoy this beautiful view. Look at all the... Whoa! What I was going to say is that look at all the city lights. It's beautiful. Wow, look at those thunders. I mean lightnings. Shit, why can't I just talk? Adding the seasoning. Some kind of a soy sauce. And it's... Why is it black, bro? I don't know what's that. But hey, I don't wanna starve to death up here, so I'm gonna eat it no matter what it is. Oh Jesus, it's like tar. I'm removing it. That's enough of cooking for this little pasta. Voila! That's what Srogeee is going to eat tonight. Let's get to a section called, and which is your favorite I know, the taste test. So let's start with the soup. Oh my gosh. I was waiting for this to cool down for such a long time. I'm quite hungry. Let's taste it. Temperature is okay. Well, the taste is not that good, but that's okay. I still feel my belly filling up. Oh, man, this is nice. Enjoy, guys. Wow, this soup was great. It was awesome. There are some small fireworks there. Do you see it? It's very, very far away. I'm waiting for the big ones, to be honest. But that's something, that's a start. Happy birthday, Hungary! Second course is the pasta. Do you see it? Yep, you can see it. Let's give it another test. Whoa! Woohoo! Still hot as hell, brother. Wow, it's better than I expected. It's like an instant pasta, but has a lot of flavor and almost a bit spicy. Wow. That's crazy. That's really good. I'm going to do this on more hikes because it was light. It will be enough for me to fill my belly because it's kind of big of a portion. Wow. Guys, let me finish this and I will see you from the tent. Okay? Are you excited about the inside? Me too, man, me too. Take a look at my crib, guys. So this is the inside of the Vango Nevis 100. I'm a pretty tall guy myself, but I can still fit my head and have some more room, like 10 centimeters. And as you can see, my legs are not touching the other side. We got 3 vents, one here, one above me, and one at the bottom right there. So I hope condensation will not be an issue while I'm sleeping here. And another thing that is new for me is that I'm not cold. I'm not cold at night. So that's the interior. It's quite cozy, so I think I'm going to go to sleep. But before I do that, I'm gonna sing you a song, just like I always do. I'm renaming this section again. It was campfire karaoke first, then it was stove karaoke, but now it's going to be called Tunes in the Tent. I hope you will like the next song that I'm going to sing to you. It is by Escape the Faith. I don't know if you know them, but if you don't, please check them out. They are awesome. And when I was on the Novorock Festival, I saw them perform live, and it was so fucking amazing. I lost my mind. So here comes Cheers to Goodbye from Escape the Faith. Losing myself, put you through hell. I've been fucking acting up too much. Tell me that you've had enough. I fall apart, you don't look surprised. You think I need some fucking therapy to figure out what's wrong with me. When life brings me down empty bottles of wine, you on my mind, missing the stars I saw in your eyes. Another place, another life, another song, another line. Cheers to goodbye. Cheers to goodbye. Cheers to goodbye. Good night, campers. I'll see you tomorrow. Please subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed it. Bye.